Hey everyone, real quick video just before the real video starts. The cylinder you're about to see me pick and gut is in fact supposed to be a German cylinder. However, it seems I've indulged in a little bit of innocent racism and just assumed it's German because of the name, when it's actually British manufactured and made. But fuck it, you know what they say, assumption's the mother of all fuck-ups. You just gotta roll with it. So, yeah, here it is. I hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Matt's Lockpit. So tonight, I'm planning to pick and gut this Euro cylinder for you. Here we go, as you can see it says Debar on the front. It appears to be a 6-pin. Quite a nice keyway on it. And yeah, I'm picking this for the Germans. Lockpicking Pete's 100 subscriber giveaway challenge. Very cool challenge Lockpicking Pete's running at the moment. To celebrate his well-deserved 100 subscribers. And yeah, he wants us to pick I'm sure that'll focus for you in a second, wants us to pick a German lock as a criteria for the giveaway. I'm not 100% sure whether this lock is German or whether I'm just being racist by presuming it's German from the name. And yeah, for those of you who haven't come across Lockpicking Pete yet, I'll leave the link to his channel in the description of this video. Very cool guy, very cool channel, talented picker. Ooh, nice deep falset there. Do you see that drop? Yeah, very talented picker, as I said. What I like about Pete is he's not afraid to use the occasional swear word. Fuck, shit, bollocks, etc. I know what you're thinking. What difference does that make? I don't see swearing as a bad thing, guys. In this sort of situation, it normally means that whoever's swearing is having fun more often than not, 9 times out of 10. And on the 10th out of 10 time, it's somebody getting pissed off and frustrated. Like I'm going to be with this fucking stock lock if it carries on giving me a hard time. But yeah, then even though in that situation, even though it sounds bad, it's still good because it makes for good quality viewing. And if you can't laugh at yourself and your botched gut-ins and when your picking's going shit, like it appears to be now, being given the runaround by a stock lock by the looks of it. Got this out of my box of Euro cylinders that I don't have keys for. Don't think I've picked it before. I stuck a rake in it a second ago and it fell into a false set, so I knew it had some security pins, so I thought it'd be alright for the challenge. Alright, I'm just going to go for a reset there, guys. Might try with the offset hybrid actually. Go straight to the back. I say I haven't picked it before, I probably have picked it. It's probably from a lockout, if I'm honest. Whoa, open. Wasn't expecting that. Cool. There we go, as you can see she is open. Did take a bit of time. Just trying to work out why my light's so shit in here as well, to be honest, guys. Alright, cool. Let's dump that out of the way. Stick it down there. Pinning tray. As I said, guys, check out Lockpicking Pete. He's a hell of a guy. Very good channel he's got, and his 100 subscribers are well deserved. So I need to pliers. Go for a metal follower. What else do we need? Tweezers. That's it, I think. So let's see what this little bugger holds inside. Just going to grab a shim. It looks like we've got a bit of a gap in the end of that cord. There. Don't want the driver pins jumping up into it and jamming it all. But yeah, very cool giveaway for your 100 subscribers, Pete, man. Here we go, she's out. Get that to focus. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. I'll just empty these out real quickly. I'm sure they'll all be standard. As I said, it's a stock lock. Cool. As expected, nothing done to the top there. So nice and heavy though. Feels good quality. Alright, so yeah, we'll just start at the front. Shim. Right, it's pin 1. We have a standard driver. Pin 2, we have a spool. Pin 3, we have a spool. Pin 4, we have another spool. Right, go for pin 6. I think this is a standard, as it did feel like a gatekeeper to me. Standard. And pin 5, I'm not sure whether this is going to be a spool or standard. We'll see now. It's a spool. Very cool. Cool, what I'll do is I'll just bang these pins out real quick. Oh, what are they? I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but they're like a nice goldy colour. They're cool. Just tidy this up a little bit. Don't have to tidy it up too much as it is a stock lock. Just a couple of spools and some standard key pins. That'll do. So as we can see, we got these goldy colour springs. They're quite cool. They're quite soft mined. 4 spools in the middle, 2 standard drivers each end, and all standard key pins. So yeah, I hope that counts as a German lock. I'll just give you another look at it. Debar, D-E-B-A-R. Fuck knows. If anyone knows anything about it, feel free to give me a shout and let me know. I will be interested. And as I said, don't forget to check out Lockpicking Pete. And yeah, congratulations on your 100 subscribers, man. Very well deserved. As I said, you've got a very cool channel on the go there. So thank everyone for watching. Take it easy. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.